Sydney is a great place to live, but if you just want to get away for some recreation, restoration, and a little swimming, then the perfect destination is Callala Beach. It's a small, quiet township on Jervis Bay with miles and miles of fine, pure white sand, and it's only 2.5 hours from Sydney. Even in peak season, it never feels crowded. But if Callala Beach is quiet, what about the tiny village of Myola? It's 4 kilometres southwest of Callala Beach, but the 107 residents could be living in a world of their own. Small fishing boats adorn many of the driveways, and dozens of larger boats are moored in the creek. The median age of Myola residents is 65, so I'm guessing the main industry is retirement and the main hobby is fishing. The village is hidden from view on the east, south and west by dense eucalyptus trees, but on the northern side is Currambene Creek, meandering 2.5 kilometres downstream into Jervis Bay. At the mouth of the creek, on the southern side, is the thriving tourist town of Huskisson. Late one afternoon, I drove to Myola to capture some aerial footage of the township and the creek. I'd prepared 2 drone flight plans. The first was south to Huskisson, and for the second plan I followed the creek north to Myola. The light wasn't perfect and the wind was a little strong, but the footage gives you some idea of the local landscape. Enjoy.